Welcome back, friends. This is Keck with Builderall, your information products training and support specialist. Welcome to today's live broadcast. Glad you're with me. We'll loiter for just a sec here, let anybody get on the stream that's trying to do so. And I'll take this opportunity to thank you for being part of the Information Products Facebook group. Encourage you to ask questions and answer questions. Try to keep all the questions to the group instead of the private message. And help me out if you see something that doesn't belong. Please flag any comments that look out of place so I can address them. And today we're going to continue on in the booking app that I started yesterday. So again, this is Keck with Builderall. Welcome. Let's get right to it. So here we are in our booking app, and I'm going to create a brand new calendar. All right, so to do that, create calendar right here. Calendar title, I'm going to say one-on-one consultation, and I'm going to call this a one-on-one consultation with Keck, with Kecklin. Okay. Press save here. Okay, and description. All right, I've already got a description going here. Let me go copy that and pick that up. All right, I'll put my text right in here, paste. Get a little bit of a description there. Only get 255 characters. Okay, cut it off right here. One more. Okay, there we go. So I've got my description in there. Upload a picture. Yeah, let's do that. Let's upload a picture. How about this one? Okay, we'll put my happy face there. Background color, let's go ahead and use one of the colors that works with my website here. I've got that copied there. Well, let's just go with this purple. That looks fine. All right, so I got my custom color here that matches my website. Very good. Time zone, I'm going to let the user select their own time zone. Okay, and then after subscription, display success message. Thanks for booking your... Okay, so down here in success message, I put thanks for booking your coaching session. I look forward to our talk. Okay, save and next. So now in group one, we're going to give this a title. And again, it's just going to be the one-on-one consulting. And the host is going to be me. We'll select there. Description, paste. Okay, that's a nice little description. Okay, so that's good for the description. Okay, starting point here is going to be every 60 minutes. Duration is going to be 55 minutes, and the interval between is going to be 5. So I set it up like this so I can have the session is going to be 55 minutes, and I'll have a 5-minute break in between. So basically they're hour blocks in which I have a session and a 5-minute preparation time. Easy enough. I'm going to get rid of Sunday and Saturday. I don't want to work on those 2 days. But Monday through Friday, let's say I'm going to be available to do this coaching from 1, close, until 3. Okay, so that's really going to only give me the opportunity for 2 sessions per, but that's fine. So I'm going to do that here all the way through. 1 to 3, 1, 2, wrong way, 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3. This is so easy to work in. Okay, so there we go. Monday through Friday, I'm set up to take coaching calls in between 1 and 3. So there we have it. I will keep this enabled for the whole year. If I wanted to take December off, I could. Sessions, I'm just going to say 1. Okay, 1 session. Availability, I'll say indefinitely. Minimum attendance without minimum attendance. Block specific dates. Again, this is where if I wanted to block a certain date that I did not want to be available, my birthday, my anniversary, or just any other day I didn't want to do this, I could put that there. Advanced configurations, I'm going to stick with automatically approve because they're not going to get here until they pay me for the session. So that's key of what we're doing today, is showing you how to set it up so nobody can actually book an appointment with you until they've paid. Okay, so that's where we're headed. So that being the case, they will be automatically approved, and I will allow them to cancel. And let's see, scheduling limit by email. Okay, so I'm just going to say 1. Okay, and the reason I'm doing this, because the flow here is they are going to go to my page that's going to be private coaching, and then they're going to press on the buy through Super Checkout, and then Super Checkout is going to automatically redirect them to a membership protected page where they can schedule their appointment. However, on that page, they may schedule several appointments, but I only want to allow them to schedule one at a time because that's how much I'm having them pay for at a time. Make sense? All right, so that's that. We'll move on here. Information the customers will be asked for when scheduling. Okay, they're going to ask for their name, their email, and yes, I want their phone number too. I want it required. That way, I can use SMS messaging to remind them of their scheduled appointment. And you just get a little better response because the phone is usually with them. They may not check the email. So let's see, we can do new fields here too. We could add a mailing boss tag here. If, say, we wanted to say, hey, everybody that's been through this and has scheduled an appointment, I want to drop a tag on them. So then I can send them email content specific to people that have been through this checkout process. Okay, so title here, let's see, I'm going to say, what are your goals? Okay, and response, we're going to make this a long text so they could put that in. It's required. We're going to say save. Okay, and then we're going to add another one, and we're going to say, how much experience do you have working online? Okay, and then we're going to do multiple choice here. Option 1 is going to be less than 1 year. Option 2 is going to be 1 year or more. And option 3 is going to be 2 or more years. Save, and this is required. Okay, save. And we just want to make sure we made this one required. So let me go to edit and required. Okay, good. Now you see what this is doing for us. This is saving us time. When they book the appointment, I'm already going to have this information of what their goals are, how much experience they have working online. I can add another one here. Let's see. This one could be, what is the biggest obstacle holding you back? And here I'm going to do long text so I can read and understand exactly what's holding them back, and I'll press save. Okay, so here's what we've got. We have name, email, phone. What are your goals? Okay, they got to write a little something there. How much experience do you have working online? Less that. Okay, there's no points off for spelling here, but let's get it right. Less than 1 year. 1 year or more. Okay, save. What is the biggest obstacle holding you back? Okay, love it. Okay, so we've got all that done. Okay, so we have the option here. Do not send confirmation to the subscribers, or yes, send confirmation. Okay, so yes, we're going to do confirmation. So when they book the appointment, they'll get an email about their appointment. Send emails to host when new signups happen. Okay, let's say yes. And I want to receive emails for new subscriptions or pending subscriptions. I'll press yes there too. Now the difference here, I own the calendar, and the host may not necessarily be the owner of the calendar, but maybe somebody who works for me. So that's just the differences there. And let's see, do not send any reminders. No, we want to say yes, send reminders. Send reminder email to host as well. Why not? Okay, so I have to configure a new reminder here. I'm just going to say 1 hour. That's fine. So they'll get an email an hour before their appointment. Save. Okay, very good. Now, here is so cool. Sync with Google Calendar. Okay, I couldn't show you on the yesterday because I already had it set up. So this is a new calendar. I'll press this button. And since I've already synced one, all I have to do is press that. That's my account. I got a couple calendars, one for me and my wife. I'll push this on here. So that's it. So easy to integrate with your Google Calendar. I love that. Okay, and lastly, subscribe to a list. You can have them subscribe to a list or not. I'm going to say do nothing. Save and exit. All right, so here we go. It's all put together here now. Here is the link. View. Okay, we can go ahead and view the calendar here. Okay, that's nice. That all looks good. All right, I'm going to drop that down. Or we can copy this link. Okay, and this is the embed code here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that embed code. And then we're going to go over to the member area. That's where this is going to go, protected member area. So I'll edit page. Okay, so here we are in the member area. And we're going to go ahead and press add element iframe. We'll go ahead and bring it over here. And let's stretch this panel out. We're going to need some room here for this iframe. All right, I'm going to stretch it out and down right about there, a little more. And I'm going to go ahead and put in general settings the embed doc here. Paste, apply. Okay, and voila, there it is. How about that? Okay, so this is the page, and I'll clean this up a little bit and add some different things here. But after they purchase, their Super Checkout is going to redirect them to this page right here. So let me save this. All right, and then I'm going to go over to Super Checkout and show you how we've got it put together over here. So I'll put this one down. We come to the main dashboard for the website. On the left, we'll find our Super Checkout. And here's where you would create your product, okay? And I'm going to go to My Products and just walk you through what I did here. I created a product called One-on-One Coaching Video Chat 55 Minutes. I'd like to be very clear on what it is. What you can expect, a little description here. Type digital, and it is going to be consulting actually. Okay, and I'll say next. And I've set up my PayPal here, and I've named it. Given a PayPal name there. Put it in U.S. currencies. I put the price at $169. No refunds, no tax. Not in the EU, so I'm not going to mess with any of that stuff. Next. Enable affiliation for this product. I chose not to for this. So next. I went with a 3-step checkout. Okay. Select your thank you /upsell page. Okay, select the page where you will sell this product. Okay, so I've told it I'm going to sell it on the private coaching page. Okay, and select your thank you or upsell page. This is where I'm going to put in my members only, my member area here. Press next. I went ahead and selected a Mailing Boss list that I have already here. Thank you email. I'm going to use the default email. If you don't like the default email, you can create your own email here, but I'll go ahead and use the default because it's fine. Abandoned cart email settings. Yes, I would like to send them in an hour after they abandon their cart a little message. Say, hey, you have something in your cart. Okay, and again, there's a nice default one. You can change the default, the abandoned cart message if you like there. I'm going to leave it how it is. And next. Select the restricted areas that will be released after payment. Now this is key because this is what's going to allow them to be in that member area. So we'll press next. We do not have any of these integrations to worry about here. Always you have to go to the terms and services and read all this diligently and click on the I accept and update. Okay, so now that product is all created, and now we'll try to kind of put it all together and see how it looks. All right, so I am going to go to website. All right, and if I go up here to private coaching, I'll go ahead and press that link, and here we are to the Super Checkout. All right, and it's going to say continue. So here I would continue through for the purchase. And I'm not going to purchase it because usually I will set it at like 5 cents and do testing. I forgot to do that. I still have it at $1.69, so I'm not going to test it at $1.69. But the checkout looks good. Create your membership password, so that's going to be right here. So when somebody comes to this, and I'm going to put this back down, they're automatically going to be sent to this membership restricted page right here, and they'll be on their page. I'll put up here, please schedule your, thank you for your purchase. Please schedule your session below. And then they can do that. And again, they're limited to just one session that they can schedule because of the way I've got it set up. So I don't have to worry about them booking more than one session because they've only purchased one session. Okay, very good. Well, there you have it. That's a little deeper walk through the booking app and how you can integrate it with Super Checkout. And again, just to make sure you've got the flow here, somebody's going to come to my webpage. They're going to click on private coaching. They're going to see that Super Checkout. We dropped in the iframe there. And they're going to go ahead and purchase it. And then when they're done purchasing, they're automatically going to be granted access to a members only area where they can schedule their appointment. So the booking app is super cool. And when you put it together with Super Checkout, it's even more so because it gives us the ability to not allow anybody to schedule an appointment with us until they have purchased. I love it. All right, friends. Well, go build it with Builderall today. And I'm going to say ciao for now. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on our next live broadcast.